Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Jeep Wrangler dashboard. First, always disconnect your battery's negative terminal for safety. Next, carefully remove the center console and any surrounding trim pieces. You'll then need to unscrew the passenger grab handle and the side panel fasteners. Taking your time with these initial steps prevents damage and makes the process smoother. This methodical approach ensures you don't miss any crucial connections. Now it's time to disconnect the various components. Carefully unplug all electrical connectors located behind the dashboard. There are many, so be thorough. Next, detach the air ducts and vent assemblies, which are often held by clips or small screws. Finally, remove the instrument cluster and the radio unit. Keep track of all screws and connectors to make reassembly easier later on. Patience is key here to avoid breaking delicate parts. With everything disconnected, you're almost there. Locate and remove all remaining dashboard mounting bolts, typically found along the top and bottom edges. Once all fasteners are out, gently pull the dashboard away from the firewall. It might feel snug, but avoid forcing it. Having a helper is highly recommended for lifting and moving the dash, as it can be heavy and awkward. This ensures a safe and damage-free removal. Reinstalling your Jeep Wrangler dashboard is essentially the reverse of removal. Take your time to ensure all electrical connectors are securely plugged in and all fasteners are tightened. Before reconnecting the battery, double-check every connection to prevent any issues. A thorough check now saves headaches later. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.